Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your credit card to the Royal Caribbean app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect your credit card to the Royal Caribbean app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to go ahead and go into the Royal Caribbean app. Next, on the bottom right hand corner, you want to go and click on Profile. Now, from here, what you're going to go ahead and do is scroll down to where it says Payment Methods. So click on Payment Methods. Now, once you've done this, go ahead and click on Add a New Payment Method. And this is where you're going to go ahead and enter your credit card information. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your credit card to the Royal Caribbean app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this,